helps. So
when you're getting a mortgage,
yeah.
they say, your car payments can determine something.
Mm-hmm.
So we paid off our cars before we got a mortgage so we could get a little bit higher.
Okay.
But what do you advise people to do if they can, instead of putting 20% down,
Mm-hmm.
they put 15% down, use 5% to pay off the car loans? Is that something that you could?
That's a smart idea. I've saved a lot of files like that. One time, a client came to me. They're already firm on their purchase. Their broker said, sorry, I can't do it unless you get 20% down, even though they pre-approved them with 5. I looked at their file. I saw that they had a huge car loan in terms of the monthly payment. It was like $600 or $700 a month, but the balance was like $10K.
Yeah.
They had $40K for their down payment, but the 5% was less than that. So they couldn't afford to do what you just said, take a piece of their down payment, pay off their car loan, reduce that total debt, and now qualify. So in certain circumstances, that's an excellent strategy. Doesn't work always.
Yeah, but sometimes it.
Yeah. People have a misconception that no matter what debt you have, it's going to bring down your borrowing power. It's not true. So to qualify for a mortgage, you can have, without being complicated, you can have 5% of your gross income devoted to debt. And let me give you an example.
Yeah.
If you make $120,000 a year salary, which is $10,000 a month, you can have a car payment or a credit card or whatever it is up to $500 per month, which is 5%, without it having any effect on your borrowing power.
So you can have 5% of a
gross,
car, 5% of a credit card?
Whatever, any monthly payment, whether it's a lease, car financing, a credit card, a line of credit, a student loan, spousal support, as long as it does not exceed 5% of your gross monthly income, zero effect on your amount that you're approved for. No. Once the car payment exceeds that 5%, if you now have a $1,000 car payment, that's when you're going to start to see your maximum mortgage get impacted.
Okay.
So yeah.
Yeah, good luck having a car payment lower than $500
a
month right now.
Yeah.
Right now, it's what's your car payment? Because you just got a car.
Let's not talk about that.
Oh man, yeah. A lot of people come to me with a large car payment, and we end up refinancing their car, depending on how long they've had it and the value. If we can shave the monthly payment down, it can sometimes increase their approval amount. So there's different creative ways we can look at a file to see how we can,